So what happens when mother and daughter join forces to promote healthier lifestyle? Well, joining us this morning, our wellness coach of High Vibes Nutrition, Sophia Bird-Mears, and Mommy, Andrea King-Bird. Morning, ladies.
Good morning.
Welcome to Smile Jamaica. It's morning time. Let's start with where did this all begin? Mommy, did it start with you?
It started with me, yes.
Yeah.
I was very overweight, got on some products, lost some weight, lost 40 pounds, 8 dress sizes, got excited about wellness, and so that's how I got started.
That's amazing.
Yes.
And what's even more amazing is that you lost it, but then you sustained it.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
That's so critical.
Yeah, but Mommy could be doing it, and you say, Mom, that's not about me. Mm-hmm. So you had your own personal passion for it. What would have inspired that?
Well, my weight always yo-yoed up and down.
Yeah.
And what really helped me was my mommy encouraging me to be healthier and also to look at losing weight from a positive standpoint. A lot of people look at losing weight as a punishment. You're punishing yourself when you eat healthy, but you're actually rewarding yourself. You're taking care of your body. So it's an act of self-love to be healthy.
Andrea, is that the key to it? Because as she says, a lot of people tie it into so much effort.
Absolutely.
And it's work, and I can't. But I'm watching you at High Vibes. You're having fun.
That's it.
Is that what makes the difference?
We are saying that healthy is sexy,
Yeah.
So that's why we dance a lot and stuff to just show that you have a little energy and you feel good about yourself.
Yeah.
And eating good food and having energy should be fun. It
Yeah.
shouldn't be really a drag.
And energy is for everybody.
Sophia, is it eating tasty food?
Yes.
'Cause that's another thing. People
Yes.
say, I'm going to lose weight. I'm going to eat some food. I know well, Lord.
No. And that's why, we say that we can make our products in different ways.
Okay.
Where you can have even an eating form, like, for example, a healthy muffin.
Yeah.
That we can tell you what is in it. There are healthy snacks that you can have that taste good. It doesn't taste as if you're punishing yourself. And the smoothie, fantastic.
Yeah. So
it's a meal replacement.
Yeah, and tea.
And energizing tea.
Energizing tea.
Yes.
Yeah, so it's important. Tell me, is it important to, because listen, guys, we strategize everything else. How am I going to get to this career? Yeah. Then I need to earn this degree. I need to do that. Is that something we need to also work out when it comes to how we feed our bodies?
Yes, we need to invest in ourselves as it relates to our health. I'm a new mother. I have a 6-month-old daughter. Her name is Aya.
Yeah.
And I'm telling you, you need energy when you're a new mother because time is limited and energy is limited.
Yeah.
And the energizing tea, protein, everybody needs protein. New mothers, people who go to the gym, people who work late, 9 to 5, everyone
needs protein.
And young people like me, protein even more.
Yeah. Andrea, you shared your weight loss. Do you mind saying how much it was for you?
I lost 80 pounds.
80 pounds.
Yes, 80 pounds.
Wow, that's amazing. Because sometimes people hear figures and they think, that journey is going to be too long. It's going to be too hard. But you did the 80 pounds.
Yes, and you have to make it fun. You have to enjoy yourself on the journey.
Yeah.
Don't beat yourself up on the journey.
Yeah. What are some of the myths that you had to debunk on your wellness journey?
Not on mine, but with helping other people. You
Yeah.
know, people say, okay, just eat fruit. Fruit has no protein per se. So you can't just eat fruit, you know? And you have to understand that there are different types of protein. So you have proteins that are meal replacements and protein that is just protein. So we have protein that are meal replacements. So it makes a big
every
difference.
protein are the same protein.
Every protein.
I'm learning that. I'm learning that now.
And, other things, hydration, things that help with, just your concentration. Some of these teas help with your concentration.
Oh, excellent.
Yes. And we do like multivitamins and stuff like that. What people don't understand is that vitamins need to be taken 3 times per day.
Not once a day.
Okay.
Not once a day.
I was going to say, I'm not going to call a brand, but there's a brand that has a name that suggests maybe, and then when you read it, it says 2 or 3 times.
Because what happens is that the vitamins work best when you take a protein source. So no, there's a science behind it.
Yeah.
It's fun, but it is scientific.
Yeah.
Yes, it's how it works.
Is that also critical to how it works? Because I find what you're saying is, if you're just going to get up on your own and say, okay, I need to get protein, and okay, I need to get that, but then if what you're combining isn't helping each other and it's not working, it's important to have a kind of support system or someone who knows it, right?
Definitely, and that's what we're here for. We're wellness coaches.
Yes.
We motivate you, encourage you, keep you accountable while you're on your
Oh,
journey.
Lord have mercy.
Yes,
There's that
But it's a
word.
good thing, you know.
I forgot to look on me. I forgot block them from my phone now.
Suppose we can give you a reward when you're accountable.
When you're okay.
Yes, man,
Okay.
yes. It's supposed to be fun. It's supposed to be fun.
It's supposed to be fun. What are some of the daily nutritional habits that people should adapt and make sure that they do it on a regular basis?
They have to make sure they drink water.
Water.
When you get up in the morning, you drink your water, right?
Yeah.
Then you have a protein source early in the morning.
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
Have a snack, but not snack like not a whole bag of fruit.
Not a meal.
Protein snack. We suggest a protein snack that you could know how much is in it.
Okay.
You know, because like we'll eat a whole pack of cashews or something and don't know it has like 180 calories. You know, more than a snack.
Yeah.
And so you have a snack, you have another meal. So it's 3 meals a day that people really should have.
Yeah.
But, you know, we have this thing about tea and...
Sometimes our snack is a meal.
Yeah, man. Oh, yes. Definitely. We have a thing in Jamaica about tea and crackers. I don't know what
Yes,
that is.
it busts gas.
Right? No, it's not the bus gas, you know,
Is
it's like
what?
an evening meal. They say,
Supper.
okay, I only eat tea and crackers. I don't eat a meal.
Supper.
So use a meal replacement then. Because you have to do that unless your metabolic rate shuts down.
Yeah.
And then you wonder why you're not losing.
Yeah, I want to quickly talk about some of the. I mean, we can't.
Yeah, we won't.
But these are like bars.
Yes, yes.
Protein bites, as you
Yes.
said. This is something that you can
Nibble
pop
on
in.
4 grams of protein, 10 grams of protein.
And
They're
those are
snacks.
muffins.
These are muffins that are made from the same product.
All right. What are you gonna make for me this morning?
Okay, so today we're making a delicious protein smoothie.
Okay.
It's going to be banana caramel mixed with cookies and cream. That sound good, right?
Exciting.
Okay.
Sounds exciting.
Well, we'll make
Is it where
today.
Clive can run for it?
Yes.
Banana caramel, run for it, Clive. Yeah.
We have
Okay.
chocolate right here.
Yeah, him can get it. So we can go and put it in the cookies and cream in the meantime.
Yes.
All right.
So this smoothie has up to 25 grams of healthy, high-quality protein, right?
Okay.
Not all protein is made equal, right? So
Right.
you want to get high-quality protein.
Yeah, and these smoothies, because I see smoothies vary. They'll do some with water. They'll do some with milk. Water is what we're doing this morning.
Yes, we use water with ours.
Okay.
Because the flavor of the shake, it has a nice, it just has a nice flavor.
Doesn't need no help. It don't need no help.
No. Yes.
Doesn't need any help. The tea I realize is iced tea.
Yes.
Or hot.
No, so I know normally they'll do them hot, but
Yes.
I'm liking the fact that
Absolutely.
this gives you an option. You can do it iced as well.
Absolutely.
All right. So we
Yes.
put our protein in, our flavored protein.
And we blend away.
Okay. All right, add some ice.
Add some ice and blend away again. It's very quick and easy.
Vinette, these twists are good for your waistline.
We're doing some workouts on the stage.
Adding some more ice to it. And it's important to blend it all the way out.
Blend it all the way out. Okay,
All right.
so we're pouring it into the glass.
Yeah. Before we go, where do we find High Vibes, Andrea?
17 Holborn Road, unit number 2.
17 Holborn Road, unit number 2.
two.
Every day or specific days and times?
Monday to Friday, 7 a.m. to 3 p.m.
At the moment.
At the moment.
At the moment.
Yes, follow us on Instagram. We have a lot of content on Instagram. So much fun, and you get all the knowledge you need.
What are you on Instagram? High Vibes?
High Vibes Nutrition.
Vibes.
Okay. All right. And 7 mean you can get good breakfast and thing.
Yes.
Thank you very much, lady.
Finished.
Nice. Looks delicious and
Yes,
filling.
I hope somebody is going to have that.
Absolutely. Oh, nothing. Oh, no, nothing. If you thought you were going to go back with things, not when you come to Smile Jamaica. Not food.
Okay,
Not food.
sounds good.
All right, check them out, please. Wellness coaches of High Vibes Nutrition, Safia Bird Mears and Andrea King Bird. Coming up next, we got a fun stop. Soon come.